One morning, a white pigeon flew freely across the city sky. She loved the wind, the open air, and the world below her. Then, something unexpected happened. Her wing touched a thin wire. She lost balance and fell. On a quiet rooftop, she sat alone. Days passed. She watched other birds fly away while she stayed behind, hungry, scared, sad. She wondered if she would ever fly again. Then, kindness arrived. A small bird shared food with her. She was no longer alone. Slowly, her wing began to heal. One morning, she tried again. She opened her wings and flew high above the city, back